pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the purME mask comes into play for effective protection. purME is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on purME, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. purME is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find purME comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, purME is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, purME weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of purME is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone facepiece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed.
Hey.
Introducing our latest product, LMP. A reusable face mask created to protect you and those around you. LMP has been rapidly prototyped and created as a solution to the current lack of face masks. We wanted to create something that doesn't exploit medical resources and delivers a high-quality face mask for personal use. Our mask filters at high FFP3 and N99 standard, with dual carbon filters to filter out pollution and viral threats, creating a comfortable, reusable mask with replaceable filters for everyday use. We also wanted to reduce the number of disposable masks for personal use.
RespoLab is a collective of designers, engineers, and innovators. We understand functionality, practicality, and the importance of comfort and style. Our team have developed an advanced face mask capable of filtering both inhalation and exhalation and keeping you safe as you go about your daily routine. Our mask's ultra-soft polymeric seal allows it to be worn effortlessly for prolonged periods. Using advanced simulation, we have been able to prove the efficiency of our unique patented pleated filter system and design in easy replacement filter cartridges for cost-effective, comfortable, and hygienic long-term use, whether you are heading to work or working out in the park. The Respo One is a great mask solution for anyone, keeping both you and those around you protected and safe.